Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, surges to the highs recently seen around 92.40.60. This has caused some stress on other currencies. Triggering the move was on the back of Janet Yellen, the new US Secretary Treasury, and also Jerome Powell, the US Chairman, Federal Reserve. It is assessed that from the comments, the market wasn't quite agreeable to some of their views, and that the fact is that still high yields, or the risk of seeing yields rising, has put a bit of a sort of uncertainty in the market. However, with the Australian dollar taking out the 60-day moving average, since the rejection of 78.45, we have nearly reached the objective of 78.75, that is 80.85, after seeing an intraday low today of 93. Do keep an eye, because if the market does crush this level of 75.80, could see further risk to the downside and expose the region of 73 cents. Wait for the confirmation though. Although we are trending from an ADX and the MACD is currently holding a negative signal, the RSI is somewhat oversold. With the euro weighted to the US dollar index of 57.6, we've reached this target. That was at 118.15.45. It is assessed that the move beneath 118.15 would expose the region to a target of 116, figure 40. We'll reassess from there. Technically, I'm in favour of seeing this possibly coming through due to the strength of the ADX coming back and the market pretty much set up in a negative pattern from the indications of the RSI and the MACD. Since the bearish divergence with the dollar-yen rejection of 109, the indicators are speeding up and therefore could see the slide towards 107.70 and reassess from there. Sterling takes out, more to the point, crushes the level of 138.15 and is now on course to the region of 135.60, given to the fact that the ADX is trending, the RSI still weak, and the MACD is holding a negative signal. This has also seen sterling yen fall even further, with both legs indicating a possible move through this trend, which is somewhere around 147.70. Beneath there would expose the region around 146 to 145. Keep an eye on gold. I'm not giving up hope as of yet that the bulls are still around or lurking, and therefore could see a rise up towards 1,760.65 and reassess from there. Beneath 117.16.18 negates that view. Wrapping up with oil, where we saw another heavy day overnight, and now crushing the low of $58 has exposed the region of $55. With the technicals in place, do keep an eye a little bit. There is some divergence here on the RSI, but while this pattern remains heavy, I expect to see the target of $55 reached before any view to turn around, that is. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.